In this video, I just want to go over the two things that you're going to need to follow along in the rest of this course. So the first thing you're going to need is a web browser. And you probably already have a web browser. You're probably using a web browser to watch this video right now. But I'm going to be using Google Chrome. And Google Chrome is useful because you can go here on any website and just right click and go to inspect. And you can bring up its dev tools, which as you can see here, there's a lot going on and there's a lot that you could do here. So you could go here, select an element on your page, and then come here to the side, and then all the rules pop up for it. So you could just go here and just start disabling things, and then watch what happens. See, I just completely destroyed their search bar. And not only that, but I'm not going to go too in depth with this right now, but you could also like change the value. So you don't only need to turn them off, but you could like change the value here, just make it blue, stuff like that. So I'm going to be using this throughout this course. So yeah, and that's with Google Chrome, and I think other browsers have similar features, but I'm not completely sure. But if you want to be safe, just go get Google Chrome and just click here to download, and then wait for it to finish, and then just click the install, follow the steps. It's pretty basic, and then yeah, then you'll have Google Chrome. And the next thing we're going to need is a code editor. So I'm going to be using Atom. You can get it here at atom.io. Just click download. And after this is done downloading, just click the installer, run it, follow the instructions. Just keep clicking yes or allow, whatever your computer asks you to do. And that's basically going to be it.